Hey, what's up, YouTube? So in this video, I'm going to show you the new funnel builders all the top gurus are using going into 2020 and why the platform they're using is the best on the market. Okay, so we know that we're going to keep our page and our funnel congruent with each other. And we know we're going to keep everything simple with step-by-step instructions. So the question is exactly what platform are these big gurus using to get these amazing leads coming in consistently on the regular? And why it's the best platform to use going into 2020? And the name of that platform is called Builderall. And I'm getting ready to show you some of the top reasons why Builderall is hands down the best platform for people online trying to make money going into 2020. Builderall is the platform that you want to be on.
Say it with your chest, little ass nigga.
So we're in the back office right here for Builderall. And before we even do anything, the first thing I want to do is I just want you to see what you're working with here. This is the back office, you know, and all of these are different platforms that you can utilize to produce income, you know. So check it out, scrolling down, there's about there's about 30 different platforms on here that you can utilize to make some money. Like it's like unheard of, for this much, you know, uh, stuff to be on one platform. It's just ridiculous, guys. Like I'm gonna get into this. I'm gonna just walk you through. I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple, but I don't know how that's gonna work out because there's so much stuff that I want to show you guys, and they just have these different events that you can go to live, and actually they're live trainings that you can sign up for, and actually you don't have to sign up for. You just have to come and look in the calendar and see, like, when the next event is, and so you can be on point and be, be sitting in front of your computer to actually be there and get the training, and the trainings are on everything, affiliate related, like, so it's just so many trainings. So the next training here is on the is actually tomorrow on the 23rd, and then there's another one on the 24th, and then the other one is on the 30th and 31st, and another one on the 3rd. So you can catch each one of these live trainings, and you'll be on there with with maybe 10, 15 other guys or girls, and everybody, getting the training from one of Builderall's, you know, trainers. So, this is like awesome, man. Like who does who does this? You're interacting. Whatever you have in your head that you don't know, you can actually ask them, like, live. Like, you're looking at them and they're looking at you. It's not it's no automated, training where you can't ask them a question and or nothing like that. It's like real and live, So that's one thing. Then if you go here to the workshop, right? What this is just like a replay of all of the trainings that you missed, that you might want to you know go and look at it. They kind of keep them keep them keep them here so you can, replay it and actually take your time and pause the video, and you know what I'm saying, and learn it at your pace. If you was at the live video, and you was at the live training, and everything is happening so fast, you might not get everything then. But you can go here and just take your time with it. And there's different trainings, on this one is creating membership areas with Builderall. You can do that. Let me just show you different, the different trainings. You got how to sell physical products with Builderall with Shelly. Shelly, is a good trainer. She teaches real good. Using webinars to promote your business. This is stuff that you need. YouTube organic marketing. There's just so many different types of different avenues that you can get into. You got Facebook or organic marketing, you know, Fiverr gigs with Builderall tools, So that's there's so many different things that you can do on Fiverr. It's crazy, but I ain't gonna get too deep into it, but you see where I'm coming from with this. You got email marketing, for you guys that don't know anything about email marketing, you just coming in, you're gonna get all the training that you need to know how to do email marketing, so this is it. And not only that, it's built into the Builderall. Builderall has it's called Melon Boss. So you don't have to go elsewhere to find that service. So you know, like ClickBanks or something like that, you got to go somewhere else and get your email service. So you're saving money here. You got Melon Boss. Actually, there it is right here. Melon Boss. Make your email list work for you. And she's showing you. Shelly is showing you how to work it. The power of sell funnels. You know, becoming an affiliate on the Builderall marketplace. There's just so they. And this is nothing, guys. Like this, what I'm showing you right here, is nothing. Like I mean, she's definitely telling you a lot of stuff here, but there's still different avenues you can take to get more training on here, guys. Look, go to help and click training. I just want to show you how much training that how much you can learn and how much their Builderall is trying to show you, so you can utilize the platform to the best of your ability, so you can make this money faster, so Builderall can make money. They want you to make money. They want you to succeed, guys. Like, this platform is the truth. But anyway, you come here to this help and hit the training there, and you got a whole bunch of different training videos on everything, guys, on Builderall. Like, this is the new build, Cheetah Builder. You hit that, and they'll start walking you through how to use it. And you scroll down, guys, and it's just so much different stuff that you can get into. Look, Video Rapper, YouTube, Instagram, video tag, affiliate training, SMS messaging, you know, auto post. You got Facebook auto answer, Twitter, like it goes on, guys. Look at this, like, you know, there's just so much stuff you can that they're showing you how to do. Look, Melon Boss, that email service, the email, hooking your email up and stuff, so you can get those recurring customers, So yeah, guys. So I just wanted to show you that, and and we're still not done, on as far as that, as far as the training goes. Like, let me show you a different avenue where you can where you can learn from. Like, we're back in the back office, and now what I wanted to show you guys first was this Builderall canvas, and this is where you would go before you like, say you wanted to build a sales like a little funnel website for a product, or whatever, and you want to go here first and kind of like just build your blueprint out a little bit. Like, actually, like, just build the blueprint of your website before you actually get into the nitty gritty of actually putting your website together. So after you go to the canvas and get your blueprint ready, you will come over here to the Pixel Perfect builder. I just want to walk through these platforms so you can see, like, just the different platforms that you can utilize to actually make you some money. You know, you got e-learning. This is a good one here. Look at, like, e-learning. You can literally um, build your own course. Like, you know, like, you can literally just build your own course in here. I'm actually building one now, actually. But this, you can do everything. You can build webinars in here. You know, so this is my course right now. I'm building it's called Digital Marketing Bootcamp. You got a script generator. Now this, not too many people talk about this right here, this script generator. And what this does is it gives you your avatar. What you do is you put your info in here. It's gonna ask you a whole bunch of information, like like maybe 50 questions, about your business, and and what that's gonna do is once you answer all the questions that it asks you, you it's gonna build scripts for you. Everything that you need to be successful in affiliate marketing, this program is gonna get you there. Everything that you need to do that, to do it, is here. Like, you don't look no further. Even if you wanted to do something like a Shopify business, look, you got an e-commerce right here. You can. This is exactly like Shopify. So you, everything that you want to do, you can do it here. You got Builderall Unlimited Magazine Builder. I never even used that. Like, but that's what I'm saying. There's just so much stuff in here that you can utilize. You know, you got video funnel builder, mockup studio, video tag tool. You know, and it goes on. 3D photo editor studio. Presentation studio. You know, this is crazy. It's like so many different avenues to make money in here, guys. That you want this. You got to be crazy if you don't think that this is the best platform going into 2020. Like, what else is what? Who else has a platform like this? Please tell me. Because hands down, like I said, this nothing is better than this right now. And the price, guys, the price is very cheap to get. It's two plans. One is like $30 and the other one is like $70. The one plan, I think you get like one or two um, platforms, like one or two of these, and then the $70 one, you'll have access to everything. You know, so like I said, I don't want to talk too long, but I feel like I did give you a nice overview of Builderall. So, if you got something out of this video, like and subscribe, and get with me on this, guys.